starting with a sketch. So, as we already did in the last lesson, first let's open up our sketch, which was created in the previous sections. So we are going to create this add topic screen, which has a status bar, the same status bar we have in our login screen. We got a simple bar, this add topic bar, which has a search button, a navigation drawer button. Also, we got these ones like image of the topic, the actual text of the topic, and we got a follow button. The follow button has two states, the follow and unfollow. So we're going to show the difference between them. And we got a bunch of them. So it's going to be like a bit big screen. And the background is going to be a white one. So it's pretty much the easy one. And also, I almost forgot to mention, each of those I divided with a simple divider like line tool or something like this. So that's it. I hope I will see you in the next lesson. We are going to start creating this app screen.